Want to customize your control center on your iPhone running iOS 18? Here's how to make it your own in 2025. First, access settings. Open the settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Control Center. Second is add controls. Tap the green plus icon next to the features you want to add, example calculator, screen recording, etc. Newly added controls will appear in Control Center. Now reorder the controls. Tap and hold the three-line icon next to the control and drag it to your desired position. This allows you to prioritize the most used features. Now remove the controls. Tap the red minus icon next to the feature you want to remove. Confirm the removal when prompted. Customize focus modes. This is completely optional. Adjust settings for do not disturb, sleep, and work modes directly from the control center. Pro tip for you: make use of widgets and the explained functionalities in iOS 18 to streamline your tasks. Now your control center is tailored to your needs. Let me know in the comments how you have customized yours.